as Wildcats, we keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.
We take every step together.
Today, as COVID-19 affects our friends, our families, and our world, we must work to protect every K-Stater's well-being.
At K-State, we are committed to putting others first.
Right now, this means taking small steps to stay well and protect others.
Therefore, I will take responsibility for my own health and keep my Wildcat family safe by helping to stop the spread of COVID-19 and other infections.
We will care for ourselves.
We will care for our fellow Wildcats.
We will care for the K-State community.
Together. Together.
Together.
Together, we can make every Wildcat a Wellcat.